All right, let's see. Last week or this week, I have code written for the LRU. I'll add a link to the current version in the pad. I need to evaluate the performance impact to make sure that it hasn't done something silly, but it looks to be basically correct. Mostly, though, I've been trying to get the PET or TPR from Myangwon into a state where we can merge it. I'd like to remove the special segment stuff since we're adding this more complicated device bit beginning of PET or T. So I'm trying to adapt the PR to do that. Taking a bit of time. That's it for me. Chunmei, how's it going?
Yeah, I just provide a PR to fix the nested peering event start.
Yes.
So there is a delay mechanism in the peering start, and so I just set the delay. So when the second peering event start delayed and then that the first one finished, so that will not cause the interrupter nested. It already passed my test currently.
I have this question. Did you find any other users of the delay mechanism?
Only this peering event when I read the code.
Does anything else pass in a value? So the problem is a second is a really long time. I think if this is a pretty good hack and I'm okay with it for now, but I think I'd like to sleep for like 1 millisecond, not an entire second. And it looks to me like right now the units of delay are seconds, so 1 second would be a long time.
Yeah, I can change it to the how about 10 milliseconds or.
Well, so if I'm understanding this correctly, all we need is for the reactor to put it onto the queue instead of running it immediately. So literally any delay will work. So I think one millisecond should be fine. I think.
1 milliseconds.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will try it.
Or like even a nanosecond would probably work, but a millisecond should be safe.
Yeah. Okay.
The only concern is if you change that, you have to make sure that none of the other callers depend on this because it'll change what the meaning of that number is. So you'll have to, check that. Or alternately, you could give the delay in terms of a chrono time point.
Pardon?
So instead of making delay a float, you could make it a standard time point or whatever.
Oh, it converted to change in the period start.
Yeah. Well, okay.
To the time.
That's fine then. Yep, that works.
Yeah.
So that's my only note. Other than that, this patch looks good.
So just 1 milliseconds.
I think so.
Oh, okay, I see.
Later, we'll probably want to refactor it to avoid this category of bug. There should be a way, essentially, to prevent the reactor from running it immediately. That doesn't require artificially delaying it. So we can look into that afterwards.
Okay, so after this modification and the OSD startup, but it reported the health error, Ceph health, because I just started one OSD. I'm not sure if that's something wrong, and I still testing on it. So that's all from me.
I don't know why it would only start one OSD. Yeah, sorry, that would be the next thing to debug.
Yeah, it's for debug. It's just about the debug because if the default it will start up 4 OSD and so many debug informations. So I just force it to just start one OSD and to see the debug log.
I see.
So
okay, that sounds good. Shuiha, what's up?
Last week I was trying to tackle the running out of segment crash issue in SeaStore, but I met with another series of crashes that were caused by other reasons, and I think I've I fixed one of them. That's the PR that I submitted earlier today. I think maybe those crashes are caused by the same reason that, but like they were caused by the same reason, and that is the full merge
Yeah.
problem. Yeah. And so after I fixed this, other crashes never happened again. Only the running out of segment problem still exists. So I guess I will continue to my initial purpose to tackle the running out of segment issue. That's all for me.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, that's all I've got. Anything else you guys want to talk about? All right, have a good. Oh, I'll be out next week, so I won't be around on Tuesday. I'll be back the following week though.
Okay.
I'll be on PTO. Have a good one.
Thanksgiving.
Yes, exactly. Going down to
Happy
Florida.
holiday.
My family's having a big reunion. It's gonna be fun. Later.
Later.
Have a good week.
See you. Bye bye.